Bricks are a culturally significant building material that have an enormous presence in the landscape of rural India. Although its main ingredient, clay, is readily available, the production of bricks is under serious question due to the high embodied energy values from traditional cement-based composites, the high usage of fertile topsoil that results in soil erosion, and the high emission values from kiln firing. During mass production, operating practices utilize coal and biomass for fuel, emitting 78 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions per year. A properly designed and scalable solar oven can harness the sun's energy for low-temperature cooking. By rotating the device toward the sun, the maximum amount of solar heat can be captured for brick curing. This also allows the solar heat to be released into the interior space during the colder nights.
So, hi, myself Ranveer Kamal, and we are running a vermicompost unit here in Jaipur. We have seen agriculture waste is a lot of there. Everybody is burning. So biochar is a good source. So feed your soil and make some valuable products.
Integrating biochar, a carbon-negative substance, into building materials offers a sustainable approach to waste reuse and mitigates pollution from typical fossil carbon sources.
So basically, biochar is the conversion of biomass into char by pyrolysis process. Pyrolysis is a process where temperature is around 700 to 800 degrees centigrade is basically done, and the biomass is converted into char, oil and gas, three products.
By investigating low-heat construction with biochar clay-based bricks, global warming potential is reduced. Typical burning practices for biomass-based waste materials like wood chips, sawdust, branches, and agricultural residue is eliminated, contributing to a cleaner air quality index for the local community. With a cleaner firing process and more thoughtful material inputs, the deconstruction and reuse practices will now need to be considered to ensure a long lifespan for the historic and well-integrated building block.